Start.
Hello viewers, about an hour and 15 minutes back, at around 12:15 a.m. to be precise, I was driving back from my studios in the Bombay Dyeing Complex in Lower Parel, and I was driving my car, a Toyota Corolla, with my wife. We were both sitting in the front seat. About 500 meters from my residence at Ganpatrao Kadam Marg, well before the turn to my residence, my car was overtaken by
जाने माने पत्रकार और रिपब्लिक टीवी के एडिटर इन चीफ अर्नब गोस्वामी और उनकी पत्नी पर कथित तौर पर हमला किया गया है। अर्नब गोस्वामी ने खुद इस बात की जानकारी दी। अर्नब के मुताबिक देर रात जब वो स्टूडियो से वापस अपने घर जा रहे थे तो उन पर यह हमला हुआ। अर्नब ने बताया कि लोअर परेल से घर लौटते वक्त गणपतराव कदम रोड पर यह घटना हुई।
The two people started pointing specifically at me, and he turned his bike back and he came right next to my car, and then they started hitting my car with something and trying to break the window pane of my car. They were repeatedly hitting at the window pane of my car repeatedly. Their attempt was to break the window pane of my car. So for a few seconds, I couldn't quite get what was happening. It took a little while to react. I ducked at that point of time. They continued to hammer and try to break the pane of my car. And they started taking out bottles, and they were furiously throwing liquids at my car. They made another attempt to break the window panes of the car. This continued. At that point of time, I pressed my foot on the accelerator. I turned a little bit to the left. The car swerved. There was a screeching sound, and I moved away.
अर्नब ने बताया कि उनके सिक्योरिटी पर्सन ने पीछा कर हमलावरों को पकड़ा और बताया कि वे कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता थे। अर्नब ने इस हमले के लिए यूपीए चेयरपर्सन सोनिया गांधी और वाड्रा फैमिली को जिम्मेदार ठहराया है।
My security guards had held the people, and there was this bike, and the people who were in it had been accosted by my security persons. I kept driving. I turned to my right. I entered my building. Upon entering the building, when I got out, I inspected the car. My wife and I, we came out of the car, and my security persons took another 5 minutes to reach my building. They reached the parking lot of my building, and I asked them what happened and who were these people. And they said to me that they were Congress workers, youth Congress workers, who had said that they had been sent to attack me. And youth Congress workers who said they had tailed me, and they were given instructions by their higher-ups to attack me, to teach me a lesson. So I just want to tell you, Sonia Gandhi, that you're the biggest coward in this country right now. You, Sonia Gandhi, tried to carry out an attack on me when I was driving back from work. You know the questions I've asked you are absolutely appropriate. You have no guts to face me. My questions against you will increase. The questions I'm asking you are legitimate questions. You tried to attack me, you tried to attack my wife, you tried to attack both of us while we were coming back, and I will hold you personally responsible for any consequences of any attack on me.
रिपब्लिक टीवी के एडिटर इन चीफ अर्नब गोस्वामी ने इस हमले के बाद केस दर्ज कराया।
I'm going to be going personally to the NM Joshi police station. I have spoken, the DCP was here. The other officials immediately came in of the Mumbai police. I have told them I will go to the police station. Go to the police station, write down my complaint and sign on my complaint.
अर्नब की शिकायत के बाद मुंबई जोन 3 के डीसीपी ने बताया कि अर्नब और उनकी पत्नी पर हमले के आरोप में 2 लोगों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया। गौरतलब है कि अर्नब ने पालघर में साधुओं की लिंचिंग के बाद अपने चैनल पर एक डिबेट शो किया था। इसमें सोनिया गांधी पर तीखा हमला किया गया था और कहा गया था कि संतों की हत्या पर सोनिया चुप क्यों है, जिसके बाद से अर्नब गोस्वामी पर अलग अलग जगहों पर कई मामले दर्ज किए गए।
सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा YouTube चैनल द संडे हेडलाइंस, बेल बटन दबाएं और नोटिफिकेशंस पाएं।